Hi everyone, this is Alex from the Extra Paycheck blog. I also run the Extra Paycheck podcast. If you don't know me, I have been making money online since 2007. This is when I quit my full-time office job and became a full-time online marketer. It was almost 13 years ago, very late 2007 as I mentioned, and I've been making money online by doing many different things: affiliate marketing, selling my own products, freelancing, and so on and so forth. So I am making this video today because I'd like to talk to you about Wealthy Affiliate. I'm sure that if you're watching this video, it's because you've heard of Wealthy Affiliate before and you're trying to figure out if this platform is for you, if it's worth it, if it works, what are the pros and cons of this platform. And my goal is to kind of explain all of that in this very video because let's be honest, Wealthy Affiliate is not the best choice for everyone. It'll fit some people's needs really perfectly, and it would be a waste of time for other people. And I'm trying to help you make that informed decision and see if this platform is the right fit for you. So first of all, Wealthy Affiliate, they specialize in affiliate marketing. This is very important because if you are coming into this platform or into this online business trying to learn something completely different, if you're trying to learn how to start creating your own products or how to set up your own startup and create apps or something, Wealthy Affiliate is not a good fit for you. It's not what they specialize in. They specialize in affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I did a very detailed video that explains exactly how it works with all the detailed examples and all of that. And I'll link to that video below so you could check it out if you're interested. But in short, affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services and you get paid a commission per sale. So let's take Amazon as an example. Amazon has one of the biggest affiliate programs out there. Most of the online stores and even offline stores that you know of have affiliate programs. Restaurants, insurance companies, airline companies, pretty much every company that sells any products or services online have an affiliate program. You can join those affiliate programs completely free, start promoting those products and services, and earned a commission per every sale that you make. This is, in short, once again, what affiliate marketing is, and this is what Wealthy Affiliate will teach you. They will teach you how to choose your niche, how to find perfect products to promote, how to find affiliate programs to join. They'll teach you how to set up a website, how to create content, and how to get traffic to that website, right? Because if you want to make sales, you actually need people coming to your website, consuming your content, and actually making those purchases so you could make money. So affiliate marketing concentrates on that. If this is something that you want to do, then keep watching this video. If it's not something you're interested in, then maybe you should stop right here. If you are interested in working from home and affiliate marketing maybe is not your thing, I recently posted a very detailed and long blog post describing 12 different legitimate opportunities to make money online. So it could be from starting your own business, starting your Etsy shop, becoming a freelancer, or getting a simple job and working from home as a transcriber, proofreader, or an online teacher, and many other things. So if you're interested in making money online any other way, you could also check out my blog post. I will link to it in the description of this very video. Now let's move on to Wealthy Affiliate. Once you're inside the program, this is how it's going to look. This is your dashboard at Wealthy Affiliate, and it's worth mentioning. Okay, I'm gonna back up here a little bit. First of all, pricing. What's really cool about Wealthy Affiliate is that you can join completely free. $0. You don't have to put in any payment information. You don't have to attach your credit card. Simply create a free account using your email address and you'll have access to Wealthy Affiliate. Now, a free membership doesn't give you a full access to the whole program, to all of the training, to all of the features, which is normal, but it's really awesome that they give you this opportunity to check it out completely free, no strings attached, and this way you'll be able to see if it's something you want to continue with or if it's something that you don't like. Besides the free membership, they also have the premium membership, which costs $49 per month, although your very first month will be only $19, or you could pay $495 if you pay for the whole year in advance. which comes out a lot cheaper than $49 per month. So inside of your Wealthy Affiliate membership, this is your dashboard. So right here in the middle, you see this is your feed, kind of like in a social media platform like Facebook. This is basically where you see what other people post, questions, stories, sharing their experiences, asking for advice, and so on. So this is your main dashboard. If you post anything, it'll probably show up here as well. Here's the chat of Wealthy Affiliate. You see it on this side. You could also open it through one of the links on the left side. And this is your control panel, as I call it. So once again, this is the button that takes you back to this dashboard. Now for the training, you click on training and there's different kinds of training. This is the main training that you'll go through with the online entrepreneur certification. This is where you're going to learn how to set up your website, how to make money off of it, how to get traffic, and so on. They also have different other trainings. This one, Affiliate Bootcamp, is basically training that teaches you how to promote Wealthy Affiliate. This is secondary. You don't need to do this, but it's worth mentioning that they have that. They also have a cool way to help you track your training. They have other trainings in classrooms, so you get access to a lot of material on this website. Now they have websites tab as well. This is where you go if you want to build your own website. They have a site builder, site manager. You could even purchase your domains directly through Wealthy Affiliate, which is a really cool feature, and they didn't always have it. It's somewhat new. They've had it for maybe a few years. They have support for your website as well. So if you have any issues with your website, they have a technical team that will help you out with that. Now I just clicked on Help Center. This is another way to get help, to get support within the platform. Site support, this is specifically, once again, for your website, for technical issues. If you have any questions about any part of this training, or if you have any kind of questions about building your affiliate marketing business, or building your websites, or getting traffic, this is where you click and you could ask your question. You could also send private messages to other people within the platform, as well as the founders, Carson and Kyle. And once again, you could go to the live chat that I showed you recently. If you click on it, it's right here. You see people are talking within this live chat, and you could participate as well. Now, one of my most favorite things about Wealthy Affiliate, of course, is the live events. Live events are basically live streams which are classrooms at the same time. So every Friday, every single week, they have a new classroom which you could join live. So this means that you could ask questions while this webinar or while the stream is happening. If you don't understand something, or you want more details on a specific subject that's being explained during that class, you could ask it live, because they have a live chat right on the side, and this is really cool. What I enjoy the most about these live events is that it helps you keep up with the industry and with the business of online marketing, affiliate marketing, and so on. So this is very new, updated, and you could see some of these past classes. There is one called SEO 101, the basics. Hot seat is pretty cool. This is when you submit your website for a review to Jay, one of the trainers within Wealthy Affiliate, and he looks at your website and tells you what you can improve on that website, what works, what doesn't work, and so on. So this is really cool, and you could get direct help about your own business, your own website. So as you can see, all of the previous classes have been recorded and they're available for replay. I think there's over 300 episodes of that, maybe closer to 400 at this point. So this is really awesome. And once again, at this point, this is my favorite part of Wealthy Affiliate, and it helps me to stay updated about what's going on in this industry. This review and inside tour of Wealthy Affiliate wouldn't be complete if I didn't bring up some negative points about Wealthy Affiliate. Once again, as I mentioned, it's not a perfect fit for everyone, and not only because this specializes in affiliate marketing, and if you want to do something else, then maybe this is not the best choice for you. But Wealthy Affiliate is targeting more of a beginner audience, people that are learning what affiliate marketing is and how it works, people that don't know how to set up their websites, how to get traffic. If you are already an advanced affiliate marketer, then maybe Wealthy Affiliate is not the best choice for you, because once again, as I mentioned, the training is mostly targeted to people who are starting out, maybe people who know how to do certain things and have had some success with it, but it's definitely not for seasoned and very, very well experienced marketers. Although I have a lot of years of experience with online marketing and affiliate marketing, I'm still a member of this platform because I am connecting with other members within the platform. I keep myself updated with the industry and training through live events and other things as well, because since Wealthy Affiliate has so many members, there's always someone asking about something new, about new strategies of advertising, of marketing, of search engine optimization, and many other things. So I really enjoy being inside that community so I could keep learning and improving myself, improving my strategies, and improving my business. The main negative point of Wealthy Affiliate that it's not targeted to experienced marketers, but rather beginners. If you are a beginner, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is or how this business works, then this is a really awesome platform. If you have been making a lot of money with affiliate marketing, then maybe you should skip Wealthy Affiliate. Another thing that I like to mention is that you might find complaints about Wealthy Affiliate online. I've looked through quite a few of those, and usually the complaints are about billing. Now, what happens is that people who join Wealthy Affiliate as free members, they like it, then they subscribe to the premium membership, and often they don't realize that this is a monthly fee, and they don't realize that you need to actually cancel if you don't want to be charged for the next month. So some of these people stay within the program for a few months, and then all of a sudden they decide that they are not interested, so they stop logging into the website, but they do not cancel their membership. So normally they are being charged every month the $49 fee, and then those people start complaining, why is Wealthy Affiliate charging me money? I'm not even logging in and using the platform. Well, guys, if you don't want to use the platform, you should go to your account within Wealthy Affiliate and cancel your premium membership if you don't want to get charged. It's very, very clear on Wealthy Affiliate when you're signing up as a premium member. They make it super clear that it's a monthly, recurring monthly payment. It's an automatic payment that you will be charged every single month unless you cancel your membership, which is super simple. You go into your personal profile, you click on account settings right here, and this is where you could cancel your premium membership. You could also change the method of payment. You could upgrade to a yearly subscription instead of monthly subscription if you want to save money, and so on. So this is pretty simple. Unfortunately, some people do not realize that or do not read what they're subscribing for, and then they complain that they're being charged. However, most of these complaints are usually retracted because Wealthy Affiliate does deal with those people and basically helps them cancel the membership properly. All right, so that's about it for this Wealthy Affiliate review. If you have any questions, if I left something out, please do comment underneath this video and I will do my best to reply to all of the comments. If you're interested in joining Wealthy Affiliate, please click on the link under this video. This is my fully detailed review on my blog, which includes a lot more details. Hundreds of comments from people who joined Wealthy Affiliate or who left Wealthy Affiliate, and they're explaining why it didn't work for them or why they love the program so much, and a lot more. So click on that link in the description or find it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content from me, please do subscribe to the channel, press on that like button, and I'll talk to you in the next video.